Yo, what's up guys? First vlog of the day. Freaking, I'm at school. Can't wait to go home. Build a PC that I bought. Spent like 1,800 to it. I have no case till Wednesday. I could build it without the case and use my old case instead. I'm at school. Can't wait to show you all the parts when I get home.
Something in the air is changing. Even when I go inside, it's still raining. Even when I'm getting high, there's no escaping. It's been a while since I felt like I'm the same me. Something in the air is changing. Even when I go inside, it's still raining. Why can't I escape myself? Why can't I escape this hell?
It's right here on the side. The whole monitor, the whole PC. I know the cables are not perfect, but I'm gonna replace them for the most part. That's the PC. This PC was like 1.8. I'm just getting the drivers updated. It fucking runs COD freaking good. Yes, the freaking cables are a mess, but I'm gonna get some daisy chains. So it's gonna be one cable, less problems, less wires. I still have to put one here, but it's in my box. That's it, bro. That's it. That's my PC. I know it's a short video, but I got my PC built. It's a 5070 with a 78 XD. To be honest, it's better than what I used to have. Most part, I still need to put one fan there, two there, but nah, low-key that's gonna be too much because I used to have 12 fans on my old case. The next day, it's the freaking next day, so I hope you guys enjoy the freaking video.